Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you what to do if you're unable to change certain iPhone settings because stolen device protection is enabled in just simple steps. So let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom, then select Stolen Device Protection. Before turning it off, there's something important you should know. If the security delay is set to away from familiar locations, you'll need to be at a trusted place, like your home or workplace, to disable it right away. In this case, you'll be asked to confirm your identity using Face ID or your passcode. However, if you're not in a familiar location, or if the security option is set to always, your iPhone will apply a 1-hour security delay. After that waiting period is complete, you'll be able to switch the feature off. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching.